In this video, I'm going to show you 6 practical methods for making videos without showing your face. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to tell you about a really great way to gain views and money on YouTube using videos that already exist. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first method is screen recordings. There are lots of very successful channels on YouTube making gaming videos, software tutorials, and reviews. And the best thing about making videos in this way is that it doesn't need to cost you any money. There are lots of free applications for recording your computer screen, and if you head down to the description of this video, you'll find a link to the VEED free screen recorder. And the great thing about VEED is that you don't need to download any software to your computer, and it just sits inside your internet browser. It also includes the option to edit your screen recording footage, so you can remove any mistakes, you can add some music or some on-screen text before you export the final product. The next method is stock footage. And a great stock footage library gives you access to amazing locations, actors, and models without even leaving your house or owning a camera. There are a lot of different websites offering stock footage libraries online, and some of the best ones also include music, audio, and pictures to add some variety to your content. Now, most of the best platforms do charge a subscription or fee, but you can still find some free stock footage online using YouTube. You just need to be careful about not infringing any copyright. The best way to find royalty-free stock footage on YouTube is to type what you're looking for into the search bar, select filters, and then select Creative Commons, which will then only show you footage that you're allowed to download, re-edit, and re-upload to your own channel. Next up is animation. And animated videos are very popular on YouTube, and this can be a really great way to tell stories and keep your audience engaged. Now, admittedly, learning animation from scratch is a pretty steep learning curve, but there are some resources online to make things a little easier. Once again, you could try using VEED to create some simple doodle animations. Inside the VEED editor, you can select the pen tool to create some simple designs, and for a more detailed tutorial on how to create this sort of doodle effect, I've left another link down in the video description. You can also create great content by using audio. YouTube might be famous as a video platform, but many people use it to listen to music and podcasts. You can use voice recordings alongside some stock footage or animation to make educational videos, or you could even start your own podcast to record interesting conversations or interviews without showing your face. Another way to use audio for YouTube is through music. And there are tons of channels on the platform creating hours of music mixes that people listen to while they work or study. And the best thing is that if the music is royalty free, you can still monetize this on your channel. So this can be a great way to make money online without showing your face. You just need to make sure that, like the stock footage, you're only using royalty free music or music that you've written yourself. Otherwise, you might end up with a copyright strike or, even worse, your channel getting deleted. Next up is POV videos. If you do have a small camera like a phone or a GoPro, you could make videos by recording from your point of view. You could strap an action camera to your head in order to make urban exploration videos, or maybe even some extreme sports videos like snowboarding or biking. If you prefer to stay inside, you could always film yourself cooking recipes or creating an amazing work of art. Or, of course, you could always just film your pets. People love animal videos on YouTube. And now, as promised, I have one final tip for making a successful YouTube channel without showing your face. And this is a method that not a lot of people know about. Did you know that you can make money from AdSense using videos that have already been uploaded to YouTube? Much like stock footage, it's important to say that you can't just download any footage that you find on the internet and upload it to your channel, because that could be a violation of copyright law. But you can use Creative Commons footage. Once again, if we search for footage on YouTube under the Creative Commons search option, YouTube states in its terms that you are free to reuse, re-edit, and monetize this footage on your own channel. So this can be an amazing way to create clips to turn into YouTube shorts, or you could download a lot of these videos and compile them into a highlights reel. For example, if I search for funny cat videos under Creative Commons, I can re-upload a section of any of these videos as a YouTube short, or add it into a montage of other funny clips, which I can freely upload and monetize on my channel. So not only can you make videos without showing your face, but you can also create a YouTube channel without doing any recording. So that is 6 great ways to start a successful YouTube channel without showing your face. And if you want some more ideas for faceless content, I've also made another video on this topic. And if you found this video useful, make sure you leave it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.